Hello and welcome to AITPM News. The Monash University report on connected intelligent transport services in vehicles predicted that it would take 25 years for an automated driving and CITS applications to fully penetrate the on-road fleet. But the changeover might happen quicker than we think. Already, Tesla claims its vehicles are now sold with the hardware for autonomous driving, but not yet the software. The software can be updated in the future when it is perfected. Now, a Silicon Valley startup, Drive.ai, has a $50 million war chest to develop autonomous driving capability that can be retrofitted onto cars. Perhaps not all cars, but it is certainly a way that potentially covers a significant part of the fleet without having to buy a brand new vehicle. Otto is an American self-driving technology company that retrofits semi-trailer trucks with radars, cameras and laser sensors to make them capable of driving themselves. In August 2016, the company was bought by Uber.